Are you ready to discover the top prop trading firms in Romania for 2024? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will reveal the best opportunities for maximizing your trading potential. From profit splits to account limits, we've got everything you need to know. Stick around as we break down Romania's top prop firms and what they offer. First on our list is Apex Trader Funding. Specializing in futures, they offer an impressive 90% profit split. With starting fees as low as $137 a month and a maximum account balance of $300,000, Apex is perfect for traders focused on futures. Do you trade futures? Comment below and let us know your thoughts on Apex Trader. Next up, City Traders Imperium, offering up to 100% profit split on Forex trading. With fees starting from just $49 and account balances reaching $2 million, they cater to ambitious Forex traders. FTUK makes the list with a solid 80% profit split and a whopping $5.76 million max account balance. Starting at $149, FTUK is a serious player in the Forex market. Are you aiming for the big leagues? Subscribe for more insights like this. Looking for a diverse trading platform? The Trading Pit offers both Forex and futures with profit splits up to 80%. With a max balance of $5 million, this firm is perfect for traders who like to mix things up. Audacity Capital rounds out our list with a 75% profit split and account sizes up to $480,000. While their fees start at £199, their tailored support makes it worth every penny. Romania's prop trading scene is packed with opportunities, from high profit splits to massive account sizes. Whether you're focused on Forex, futures, or multi-asset trading, there's something for every type of trader. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth trading insights. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the most profitable strategies for 2024. See you next time. Happy trading, everyone!